Spending long hours on a computer can make typing on a regular keyboard tiring and uncomfortable. That's where ergonomic keyboards come in. They're designed to make typing easier and reduce strain on your hands and wrists. Today we're taking a closer look at the Epomaker Tide Alice, a keyboard built around the popular Alice layout that focuses on comfort and ergonomics. Let's dive in and see what it has to offer. Starting with the unboxing, the Epomaker Tide Alice comes with a solid set of accessories. Inside the box, you'll find the keyboard itself, a user manual, USB Type-C cable, tools like a keycap puller and switch puller, screwdriver, and Allen wrench. You also get a couple of extra switches, which is always a nice addition. Another interesting thing included in the box is a set of small screwdrivers and L-shaped tools, the Allen wrench. These allow you to open the keyboard if you ever want to explore the internal components or modify it. Now let's take a closer look at the keyboard. The first thing you'll notice is the Alice layout. Instead of a traditional straight keyboard, this layout splits the keys into two angled sections. This design follows the natural position of your hands while typing. More, it has double shot for main keys and die sub for main keys. There's also a rotary knob, which can be used for tasks like adjusting volume or controlling other settings. The Tide Alice uses a 65% layout with 66 keys, which keeps the keyboard compact while still including arrow keys and other important functions. Visually, the keyboard looks very clean and minimal. The black keycaps with gold legends create a sleek and stylish look that stands out nicely on a desk. One of the standout aspects of the Tide Alice is its build quality. The keyboard features a CNC machined aluminum case, which gives it a very solid and premium feel. The surface has an anodized finish, making it smooth while also helping reduce fingerprints. Because of the aluminum construction, the keyboard weighs around 1.58 kilograms, which is quite heavy for a compact keyboard. But that extra weight actually helps keep it stable and prevents it from moving while you type. If we take a look inside the keyboard, we can see that it uses a gasket mount structure. This design places soft gasket materials between the plate and the case to reduce vibration and create a softer typing feel. The keyboard includes a 4000 mAh battery, which provides a good amount of battery life when using wireless connections. For connectivity, the keyboard supports Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless with a dongle, and a wired USB-C connection, giving you flexibility depending on your setup. There's also a magnetic slot inside the keyboard to store the wireless dongle, which is a small but useful design detail. Now, let's talk about the typing experience. The biggest advantage of the Tide Alice is its ergonomic layout. Because the keyboard is split into two angled sections, your hands naturally sit in a more relaxed position. Traditional keyboards often force your wrists inward, but the Alice layout helps keep your arms and wrists more comfortable. For people who type for long hours, this can make a noticeable difference. The keyboard also has a comfortable typing height. The highest edge measures around 32.5 millimeters, while the front edge is about 20.6 millimeters, creating a gentle typing angle. Combined with the gasket mount design and internal foam layers, typing on the Tide Alice feels smooth and slightly cushioned. When it comes to sound, the Tide Alice produces a clean and controlled typing profile. The internal foam layers help absorb vibrations and reduce hollow sounds, which results in a more balanced typing sound. Here's a sound test to give you a better idea of how it really feels and sounds. Overall, the keyboard sounds smooth, soft, and consistent, making it comfortable to use in both home and office environments. Moving on to the switches and keycaps. The Epomaker Tide Alice comes with durable double-shot keycaps and linear Epomaker zebra switches with an actuation force of 40 grams and a smooth, light feel. It's hot-swappable, supporting both 3-pin and 5-pin switches with an FR4 flex cut plate for easy customization. The keyboard also features gasket mount and south-facing RGB lighting, compatible with different keycap profiles. Overall, the Epomaker Tide Alice combines ergonomic design with solid build quality. The Alice layout helps improve typing comfort, the aluminum body adds durability, and the internal design helps create a smooth typing experience. If you spend a lot of time typing and want a keyboard focused on comfort and design, this is definitely one worth considering. And with its clean black and gold aesthetic, it can easily become one of the standout pieces on your desk setup. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments.